welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. But we'll be doing this fish today. We have 4 tilapia. I've never toasted this one this way before, but I just want to try it. That's why I put that micro to see. The things I'll be using, this is tomato, pepper and big pepper, yellow and red one, and just few spicy. I already used it for something else. Already be ground, like I used it for something else last week, so I will still use the same thing, just a regular pepper. And this one is parsley with garlic, ginger, and this one is beetroot. So I'll be grinding all these ones together. They already be clean. Grind them together. Okay. The beetroot just is to make the color come out. Okay, so I will just grind it, a little bit of water, then grind. Done grinding, we just pour them together. So this is the beetroot and the ginger, the garlic and the parsley leaf I grind, plus the pepper I have left over. So I'm mixing both together now. It really smells good though. Oh, not this right. I will just wait for the oil to warm a little bit, then just wait for it to fry. Just want it to dry as many that you can take out of it. The tray is already very clean. Yes. Okay. And when I'm waiting for the sauce to be ready, I just brush a little bit oil on the fish. So I'll wait for the sauce to be ready. I'll be adding the seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Just a little bit salt. I use only thyme, just to give that good smell and the flavor. See the tomatoes, I said tomatoes, the pepper and everything blend together. The sauce is almost dried. I'll just wait for it to re-dry before using them. The sauce is ready. See, dry and shiny. So I will start by adding a just tiny pinch of salt. I didn't put salt before, remember? I'll that fish is really oily a lot. Okay, so I'll just start by make sure you put the sauce, no this cutting part, and just cover the body up with it. This sauce, I can even use this sauce to eat rice, so because it tastes so good. It's so good. If you are the type that do not eat head of fish, you don't have to waste your sauce on it, since you know you are not eating it. But if you want to eat it, yeah, it's good you cover them up. Okay, this, let's it on the foil paper. Okay, resting the hands too. That's it. I will be putting some yam. I slide this yam instead of me to use French fries. I'm just using the yam. Add as many you think it can fit the foil paper. If you want to use plantain, yes, or potato, they all work together. A little bit sauce too. Good job. Then right, that one is not enough, I know. This is the type of foil paper I have. Okay, you don't have to fancy do all that. Just do it the way you can write. The only reason for you to wrap it is for for it not to, the heating not to go to the body direct. You want the heating to go to something else. But through that heating, the fish will done inside. So you don't really need to be expert in slicing. This is the last one. I did the same thing for everyone. I never did this kind of fish before, so I just want to see how it tastes like, how it looks like. I use it on a soup, but I never use it on a barbecue or toast. For the yam, if you want to season the yam, you can use sugar if you are the type that use sugar to do yam. You can use salt if you want, and you can still leave it like that because you don't really need too much of things. Whatever the fish and the sauce have will be good. Okay, we're done. Close it up and it's done. Okay, maybe. Yeah, fit. You just put it in oven. Let it preheat. And I can't tell you, you will stay 20 minutes there or 30 minutes there. I will time it, whatever minute you spend there, till you're ready, I will let you know. Thank you. Okay, I have to take it out from here. Put it there. Now make it okay. this is how it looked like 1 hour later. So it's already done, but I need it to be like roast. So I will turn the stove from bake now to grill, so we can the fish is ready, but I just want it to be brown. Yeah, I'll take it back. Okay, ready. Then change here off them. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see how they look. Should we start with this one? Oh, see how it look now. The fish and those are the buns. Okay, opening another one. Should we start with this one? Oh, this one was just properly ripe. Wow, this is really smoky. This is what we have. Look at the fish. This one, see the mackerel? Wow, I've never seen mackerel like this before. See how they all look like. This is the remaining sauce. Man, this sauce tastes very good. You might even want to use it. We just wow, see how so tasty. The yam just done. The seasoning just rest inside. Okay, now use. See how soaked the yam are. Which I know maybe I will just add some little plantain to see. Maybe next time. How? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share and like. Try the ingredient and the seasoning. Thank you. Wow.